Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am going to show you today how to make Jesmonite trinket trays and accessories using gold flakes. I have bought these gold flakes from Amazon. I'll link the description in the below. Let's get into the video. Here you can see that I am literally sprinkling the excess of the gold flakes into the tray. That's because I want some speckles. I'm also going to use larger bits of the flakes as well. You see me in a second where I am just literally using a cotton bud to push and press the larger flakes onto the tray. You can use a brush. I don't have one, that's why I'm using a cotton bud. You can use your fingers. So many ways to do this. So this is how I'm doing it, and it turned out pretty well, if I'm honest. So here you can just see me placing the gold leaf, not in any particular design. I'm pressing it, I'm pushing it down, I'm getting it into all those corners, which is what I want to do. I'm pressing it, you can see there, I'm adding a little bit more. I'm making up the design as I go along, just have an idea that I want it to be quite full and have a lot on the Jesmonite tray. You can use as much or as little as you want on these, it's entirely up to you. So as you can see, I've done all my coasters, I've done all my trinket trays, I've got circles, hexagon, I've got some squares as well. So yeah, let's get to mixing. So I use Jesmonite 730. So I will mix 5 parts powder and 1 part liquid. I have done this off screen so as not to bore you how to mix the Jesmonite, and I will start to pour. As you can see here, I'm just going to pour them in. I'm just pouring a little bit into the trays, and then I will move it around with my spatula, getting into all the nooks and crannies. I have a vibrating machine which I use, so you will see that I take these off camera and I just use my machine to vibrate them. And as you can see, they're perfect, so much easier, literally takes 2 minutes. But yeah, I do find the vibrating machine very helpful. I bought it on eBay and I'll link the description in below. Putting them to a side so that they just dry. 4 hours later, here is me demolding all the trays, and oh my goodness, they look amazing. I noticed that the more gold you put on there, the more it just looks amazing. It pops, it makes it look amazing, it looks premium, it looks just glowing. I absolutely love how they turned out. So impressed. I will definitely do these again. Let me know your thoughts, leave your comments below and tell me what you think. And here is the end product. So I have a pop-up coming up, so I've literally packaged them, put them in 2s and put them ready in a belly band, ready for my pop-up. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know your final thoughts, leave your comments below and I'll come back to you.